We need to find the value of the given expression. So we'll begin by using a property of logarithm. So if we have log a with a base of b, then this is also equivalent to log of a divided by log of b, provided both of the two logarithm has a common base. Let's call it c. In our case, we'll consider the common base to be equals to 10, such that our expression can now be written as log of a with a base of b will become log a over log b. Let's multiply to log of b with a base of c. So that means we have log b divided by log c. Multiply to log of c with a base of d. So that's log c divided by log d. Times log of d with a base of e will become log of d with a base of log of e. Times log of e with a base of a. So that becomes log of e divided by log of a. So here some of the logarithm will get cancelled out. So let's see which of them. So we have log of a cancelling out with log of a, log of b, log of c, log of d, log of e. So actually all the logarithmic terms gets cancelled out. That leaves us with 1. So this is the value of the given logarithmic expression.